No ifs or buts about it. Happy September 4th. Only if you play by the rules, the sky's the limit. As Fibonacci levels identified weeks in advance in front of you this morning. Since Monday morning, I've been warning you, do not ever short into this Fibonacci support. This morning before trading room open, we discussed with students all the trades that reached Fibonacci targets. This morning, once again, I warned you, you cannot short this market. As knowledgeable trader right now, moving his stop outside of break-even. As institutions continue buying this market with vengeance, key target on S&P is reached. Do not ignore that. Price very close to reversal zone. This is your range. This is day trading that has exact same accuracy as any instrument you will choose. This is what's currently playing out on Costco. Look at that. As Costco reached key target, I discussed with hedge fund manager in New York who invested in Costco and sending me very grateful emails. As Costco reached key target. Do you want to trade S&P as a day trader? Do you want to use this chart and respect reversal zone? Just like Netflix had done? Look at that. That's your investment decisions. As S&P reminding you instantly, do not buy into reversal zone. What price will do at this level and how you respect the targets is the key. As this is very happy students in the course who become my dearest friends for life. What you choose to trade is your choice. Do you remember what we discussed on oil yesterday during news? This is investment long-term charts that have been present in the trading room for the last 5 years. This was reversal zone on oil in 2016 when I said this will be ultimate war zone on oil, the end of the minor trend, 55. When I also said this is institutional support. What oil will do at 55 is everything. Do you want to day trade oil? Do you remember what played out yesterday in the room when we were paying attention to day trading chart on oil? Do you remember this? Horrific news. And what do I say? This is Fibonacci support. We move this chart to 1 minute chart. As I said to you, who cares about bearish news? This is support where buyers stepped in with vengeance. 2 times oversupply on oil, horrific news. Fibonacci support respected, buyers stepped in with vengeance. And that's what's happening right now on S&P. Each and every time, the same formula. As institutions continue creating brand new highs. And that's what you're witnessing every day in day trading room. That's open maximum, absolute maximum 10 hours per week on 1 minute chart that students would never ever ever touch with a lightning pole. And that's what gold is doing. This is your investment chart. As I said to you clearly, this is Fibonacci resistance. Don't be silly. Don't buy in this area. If you are in a trade on gold long term, you are trailing carefully, just like you would do if you are trading S&P. Boom. All the same formula, all the same strategies, all the same levels. What you will choose to trade, absolutely up to you. As S&P testing you for knowledge of the markets to the tick this entire week. As my bias at the support remains firmly bullish. Time and time again. My bias at resistance identified by proprietary Fibonacci method I developed in 2008 and been teaching to traders from beginner to hedge fund managers since 2011. In a play in front of you right now, every day. If you will find something more accurate, I would like to see it. Please do share. Take a look. Trail is placed in perfect place. Identical formula as you witnessing on GILD. Do you understand that? This is your investment chart. GILD collapsing from reversal zone. This is your day trading chart. Identical formula. As knowledgeable trader, adjust the trail closer. And that will be the focus of a bootcamp. In the bootcamp October 16th through 27th, you will be learning the method that applies to any instrument, any time frame. Proprietary Fibonacci levels that you can install on any instrument you will choose, on any platform you will choose, as only now my students entering the key Fibonacci trade. In the bootcamp we will be Monday through Friday, October 16th through 27th. For approximately 3 hours each and every day, 1 day in a bootcamp equivalent to 1 week in the course. Every single day live classes 3 hours. Bootcamp part of the course, group course, 8 weeks. Sooner you sign up, more prepared for the bootcamp you will be. Savings of $888 to new students only. Graduates of the course and students who started the course before this week paying extra fees to join the bootcamp. 1 day in a bootcamp equivalent to 1 week of the course. If you choose to sign up for private mentoring, please speak with me first. Private mentoring for months will include bootcamp. Only 2 spaces in private mentoring open, 3 days booked until 2019 by hedge fund managers who are learning exact same thing. Again, bootcamp every single day, Monday through Friday, October 16th through 27th, included in education course. When we are in a bootcamp, trading room completely closed. Psychology is the core of the bootcamp. Psychology, 80% of everything you do. In the bootcamp, we will be concentrating on range strategy that is not part of the course. It is additional strategies that you learn that key puzzle of the Fibonacci market. We're concentrating on Ranger and mastering basic strategies that are core of the course. Strategies that you can apply to any instrument you will choose. Before you sign up for the bootcamp, I humbly encourage you, listen to the students who trade any and every instrument possible, from beginner to hedge fund manager in US and globally. From ETFs to stocks to options to Forex. Boom. Trail placed in perfect place. As students in painless trade, please, my beautiful alphas, do not forget what we discussed as we're dealing with historical highs. Extreme caution. We agree? As our powerful chart showing to us, we are so high. To the tick, reversal zone is present. Anyone surprised? And that's what you're witnessing each and every day in the trading room. The accuracy of the method. that you can benefit from, not just as a day trader, but as investor. As every single chart reached institutional reversal levels. Look at this chart. To the tick, reversal zone is reached. To the tick, price in pain. Which is exact same thing you're witnessing on this chart. My favorite chart of all times is weekly, present in the trading room for many, many years. This is where buyers stepped in from in 2016. Fibonacci reversal zone. Institutional volumes through the roof. Price had taken massive pause for 6 months at the end of the minor trend and skyrocketed to here. Knowing how to manage your investment positions right now is the key. Identical chart as you're seeing on 1 minute. The only difference? Risk management and trader's psychology. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. As nowadays market testing you to the core. For knowledge of Fibonacci levels, for knowledge of price action. Trail placed in perfect place. To the tick reversal zone respected, to the tick price reminding you, never ever ever enter into it, it will never work. What you choose to trade is your choice. You learn the rules, you apply the rules to the instrument and platform of your choice. Do you want to trade on MT4? Do you want to trade on Ninja? Do you want to trade on Sierra, TradeStation? All the students on all these charts, on all these platforms. Do you use a single e-signal? Do you like Think or Swim? Why not? Choice is yours. Now adjusting trail closer is a wise thing to do. Is this morning S&P will create brand new historical highs because institutions continue adding to positions? Highly possible, as students know very, very well. As long as the reversal zone is present, you must trail carefully. You cannot ignore these levels. So, after you review all the information on the website, do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Bootcamp is my favorite event of the year. This year, it's the last bootcamp. I'm not making any promises for another one. Final bootcamp of 2017. As of this moment, we're down to 11 spaces. Website will be updating the data this afternoon. So, any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me. Sooner you sign up, more prepared for the bootcamp you will be. As S&P reminding you, never acquire position into reversal zone. Ever. Doesn't matter if you trade S&P 1 minute chart. Doesn't matter if you invest in Tesla weekly. The only thing that matters, if you can play by the rules that you learn in proprietary Fibonacci Mastery course. Rules that you will never learn anywhere else. Only here. Only in the last bootcamp of the year.